Dito na kami sa Marquee Mall. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila. Sabi sa Jollibee. Pero tingnan natin dito sa... Sorry. Dito sa... Ako more. Ano dito? Ay! Ano nangyari kay Jerry Script? Akala ko nandito sila sa Jerry's Grill. Kasi laging nandito yan sila eh. Pero wala sila dito. Where are the anak? Aray, Diyos ko itong aking suot. Kung na yung marimar. Mamaya na nga ako mag-video mga shots. Pahamak tong damit ko. Sila sa loob. Nagkikita ko na yun sila oh. Sarado yung Jerry's Grill. Akala ko doon sila mag-aano. Nasa loob na sila. Dito na nga. Kulit Kuya G, ni Kuya ano. Ako makikita na naman tong mga ano. Bakit ang tsaka naman ito? Hindi naman to fresh yung ano nila. Yung ate ni Kun namin nakapag-straight ng buhok. Ay, Kuya Tumtum! Wait lang, mayroon tayong gift eh. Saan na ba yung gift natin? Pera na nga lang. Kain siya, kain.
Pwede na mawawala yan eh. Bago yan. Yung rice na dry.
Anak, sit properly. Sit properly.
Magpamilya na sila ah.
Bagong pamilya. Again? Where's your daddy? At work. Making a lot of money.
Yeah, I know.
Good job, daddy. When are you going to see daddy?
Tree?
Huh? On tree?
Tree. Yeah, he's coming soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
And then when daddy come back, he'll give me Elsa ring.
Elsa ring.
Yeah, I saw it.
Wow.
Yay!
You're so lucky. That's why your dad is working hard for you?
Yeah.
Wow. Good job, daddy.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. It's a mountain.
Where's Ate Latlat anyway?
At home,
Why?
she don't want to come.
Why?
Because, I don't know.
You didn't invite her?
No, Atlanta don't want to come here.
Why?
I don't know. I think she's stressed.
When someone's stressed, you have to talk to you have to talk to her.
Stress sila lahat? Ha?
Ba't ganyan yung pagkain mo sa kamay? Buti ba si Aya na marunong? No, when you eat, do like this. Grab some food, then use this one, the thumb, push it like that, push it to your mouth. That's how you eat it. Look at, like that. Come on, push it, like that. Don't put everything your
Did you wash your hands?
your hand.
Yeah.
I'll wash my hand later. I'm not done.
No more germs na. You put it before you eat, you wash hands. But after you wash hands. Because you touch a lot. Ma, saan nila punta? Kape. Saan? Bisne cream.
I didn't touch
Malapit sa parang taekwondo. Papunta ako.
I will get this all out.
Ano ka, nahirapan ka, no? Nakapagod na, nakapagod. Yeah. Who are you? Come here. Ba't gusto mong ganyan?
Dapat na.
Ha? Ay, nandito yung ano. Yung belt. Sutin mo? Of course. Tapos na kami kumain.
Asan?
Smile, mami anak. Smile. Ay, sino pa papasok na matanda? Sino papasok na matanda? She. No, we're not going there now. Ay, kasama si Dam?
Bawal man nata magkape si siya, ma. Oy! Bawal man yung kape.
Ikaw lang nagbabawal. Wala naman sinabi. Kunin mo yung kape niya. Kunin mo yung kape niya. Ubusin natin. Yung anak ko. Oy! Ala! Ala! Nick Yang! Yung anak ko!
Nasa libot ang sandal. Wala na, di na sila makita. Nasaan? Ay, kasama sila.
Napagod na yata yung isa. Naglalaro sila tita niya. Para si Ayana na naman.
Nakya dito lang.
Yung dalawa, oh. Slowly, nak, slowly. Wala nang ano, yung isa. Ay, wait. Ha? Later, anak, later. Ano, umihi. Yung dalawa. Wala naman. Wala naman sila mga pera. Yay! Laro lang ko na paano nang ipit mo, anak? Kuya, mag-drive ka na. Drive ka na, drive. Ikot dito. Ayan na. Ay, saan? Mapasok na naman tayo ulit. Ay, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, ate nak. Bye-bye, Kuya Tom. Happy birthday.
Bye, Anna. This is my crayon.
Saan na naman tayo punta? Mabira. Sunod-sunod tayo. So, bayad lang din pala. Ang pamilyang maliliit. Buti na lang may malaki. Uwi na kami. Tapos kumain lang naman talaga kami dito. May ano lang, pa Jollibee si Tom. Uwi na kami. Pop!
Balloon.
The balloon!
It will pop.
It will pop when it's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what can we do? We have to go there.
Let's go.
Come here. Di ko alam saan ako dadaan. Up, 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 up.